Today, we are going to train your English voice to use could. We use could in a few different ways. We use it as the past tense of can. For example, I can inform him of our decision. That sentence is now because we use the word can. Sentence 2, I could inform him of our decision. That is in the past. That is why we use the word could. Another way to use could is talking about possible actions now or in the future. It is great to use in suggestions. What topic can we discuss during our next debate? And the answer to that question is we could discuss movies. So that is giving a suggestion on what you could discuss. So we use the word could. It is also possible to use can in this suggestion. We can discuss movies, but using could means that you are less certain of the suggestion. So you are not 100% sure of your suggestion. That is why you use the word could. It is just a possibility. Sometimes we make suggestions that we know are impossible. Then we also use could instead of can. So have a look at sentence 1. We can discuss movies. This is a realistic suggestion. Everyone can talk about movies. Chances are that everybody in that group has seen movies and they can discuss them. It is realistic. Have a look at sentence 2. Maybe we could discuss fossil fuel. So here is another suggestion, but we use the word could. That is because this is possible but less sure, as not many people know about this topic. So it is not impossible, but it is less likely that this will be the discussion topic. Sentence 3. We could discuss dragons living among us. We use the word could in this suggestion because it is unrealistic. Dragons do not live among us, so it is an unrealistic suggestion. Another way to use could and not can is to talk about things that are happening now or in the future. So have a look at sentence 1. This discussion could end any minute. That means that this specific discussion is nearly over. So it is going to happen in the future, but any minute now. So we use the word could. Sentence 2. Our discussions can continue until midnight. This sentence is in general. It is not talking about a specific discussion. It is just saying that our discussions can continue until midnight. It is just a possibility of it happening. Excellent job using could. Well done. Goodbye.